That was badass. It was all shot on the DJI Mavic Air 2. Her name is Droney. If you're in the market for a drone, I highly recommend the DJI Mavic Air 2. One thing I love about this drone is it shoots in 4K at 60 frames per second. Use my Amazon link in the description. You can get yourself one today. I just recently posted a video on my story on how waking up early has changed my life. So make sure you check that out right here. And if you like this video, then definitely go to hit subscribe and the like so that way I know, so that way we can make more videos just like this one. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you in the next video.